I'm going to tell you how to add voice effects on voice messages in Instagram. So, how exactly do we add voice effects on voice messages on IG? Well, before anything else, you need to know that this feature is still being rolled out by Instagram. If you're not seeing the option yet, there's a good chance it's simply not available on your account. To check, open any Instagram DM conversation and start recording a voice message. If the feature is available, you'll see the option to apply voice effects before sending your message. If you don't see that option, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. After updating, try closing and reopening the app and check again. You can also log out and log back in, although this usually doesn't make a difference if the feature hasn't been enabled on your account yet. Unfortunately, there isn't a manual way for you to force enable voice effects since the feature is controlled by Instagram servers. The only real solution is to wait for Instagram to roll it out on your account. So if you're trying to add voice effects to Instagram voice messages but can't find the option, just update your app and keep an eye for the future Instagram updates. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.